but I'm here to do 2 more of my calendar, and because I really want to get this calendar done, and of course this means that you get more videos, which I figured you would be happy with. So the next 2 months that we're doing, we're going to be doing the month of January and the month of February. And for the month of January, I've got this little snowman that's going to be part of my, it's going to be my little calendar. Hopefully he fits. Yeah, barely, but he does. So this is going to be my little image. And this is another one of those that I did draw, and then I scanned him, and then I reprinted him, and then I colored him with my Copics, and you can see that the Copics mark. So this is like an original colored image from me, which I think is pretty cool, having all of these handmade items, and hopefully you guys think so as well. If the calendar hasn't sold out yet, the link to it will be in the description box below. So I'm trying to finish this off so that I can actually put it in my Etsy store so that you guys can get it in time to offer it as a gift. So we'll just glue this down. And I'm going to use this paper, which I thought was really pretty. I'm going to try to cover all the edges, because my thing is never quite straight. Because I use glitter on the front, I've got glitter everywhere now, so those pages might have glitter on them. Glitter's good. It's all good with glitter. At least in my book it is. Okay, so we've got that done. Put this aside. And then I'm gonna make the holes for the calendar. Okay. And then I'm going to use this here, this one, because of the fact that it's more pale, and I think it's more fitting with my it's more fitting with this image. So I'm going to use that. Put my little snowman on top. If I put him at the edge like that, I should be okay. So these are going to be short little videos. But they give you ideas. And of course you could use this type of idea instead of using as a calendar. You could use this as a card topper. Okay, and then I'm going to embellish it with some I want to use some snowflake. Trying to see what I've got. That might be pretty. I would have liked some like that, but smaller. I've got this one, but oh, maybe in the dark blue. That could be pretty. And then I have another Is that the same model? It doesn't look quite the same. I could have done that, and then this. Or I just put 2. I think I'm just going to put 2 because otherwise 3 it feels a bit much. And then you still have the kind of triangular since you've got the snowman. Okay, so I'll put this aside because I don't need that anymore. But I need tape to glue this down. I'll put a big one here. I think I'm going to use a small Soho tape for this one because I want to put it just on the top of the little snowflake. Whoops. Here. So that's my January. And then for February, we've got a little birdhouse. And then I've got this hard paper. But I also have this, which I thought was pretty and could be used with that. So, or we could use it for something else, but I'm thinking would be pretty maybe. And then I had, yeah. So let's glue that one down first. Whoops, I almost put it the wrong way. Here. And do my holes. Just allows me to have a better idea of where everything is going to go. Okay, so that is that. Then I've got the little house, the little birdhouse. Got the little heart. Here we go. And I do have some little birds here, which I thought would be pretty on this. And I'm going to be using this color because I feel like it's more fitting for Valentine's Day. Do I put it directly on there? I like the idea of having a strip of this, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do a strip of it. Just a small strip, just so that I have a little bit more layers, because I do want my different months to be different and not to have all the same layout. So if I put that there, I can put the little birdhouse on top. There you go. And then the month of January I did on that side, so February I'd like to do it on this one. And then what I could do, put that there, and because this is a smaller image I can kind of bring it in a bit, the calendar. So that's going to be a bit different as well. Oops. Bring it in just a tad, like that. And I can put the bird right there. So I was thinking like this little birdie, he's flying in the right direction and needs the right color as well. Right over there. And then I could put a few little hearts. Right, like that to complete it. So this is my month of February. So we've got the 2 months done. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the process. I'm anxious to know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next calendar makings. And this time around it's going to be the month of March and the month of April. So love you guys. See you soon. Bye.